if 63 squared equals 3 to the power of x times 7 to the power of y, find x plus y. So here, to be able to do this, we have to take the 63 and manipulate it. So 63, we know 63, we could change that to 9 times 7. And that's squared. Now as you see, we have a 7 here, a 7 there. That's good, but we still need to do a little bit more here. So the 9, I'm gonna change that to 3 squared times 7 all squared. Now I'm gonna put the exponent right through the brackets, so we know when we distribute the exponent inside the brackets, we have to multiply it into the exponents inside the brackets. So that would give me 3 to the power of 4 times 7 squared. Now remember, this is what we have there, 3 to the power of x times 7 to the power of y, which means the x equals 4 and the y equals 2, and therefore x plus y equals 4 plus 2, which is 6. Thanks for watching. See you next time.